everyone, my name is Sabrina and welcome to my channel. So I literally just got back in the house about 2 minutes ago, switched the computer on, and it's doing a lot of noise, the computer, like, but it seems to be working fine. So as you can see, I still have my hat, my bag, my coat on. But I'm so excited because I just saw one of my neighbors and he gave me my happy mail. How about that? Happy mail. This is my address, so I am blocking it. I'm so excited. And this comes from Kim. I don't know if I can say the second name or not, so I won't. You have to respect someone's privacy and all that. But this is from Kim from the UK. Same place as I am. And she's not too far away from me. So that's super exciting. So I've got happy mail. I am going to take my gear off and I will be right back to open it in front of you guys. She said I can open it on camera, so I will. So, before I do that, it's exciting. Kim, thank you so much. It's so much appreciated. Thank you. I mean, I don't know what's in here, but I'm excited. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I will, without further ado, get this off and I will be right back. Okay, I am back and I do apologize. Look at the state of this hair. There's nothing I can do about it. It's because I had a hat on. So when I have a hat on, the hair does what it wants. It's a complete mess, but anyway. Here I am with my wonderful happy mail and I can't wait to show it to you. There it is. And here it says top. So I know to open it this way up. So I really am really excited. So I've got my scissors now. We're going to open it up. Okay, so I will now. Okay, so here we are. I am so super excited and very, very grateful. And yeah, it's exciting. I wonder what it is. I wonder what it is. So I absolutely no clue. Oh, okay. Bing! Ooh! Oh, wow. Mm. That looks promising. That looks really cool. Oh, wow. Look what I see. And there's more inside. So there's like a little note. Little note. Here it is. I don't know if I can read it out loud. Okay, I will. Okay. Dear Sabrina, thank you for your channel. It's always very informative and your tutorials are easy to follow. I just thought you deserved a little gift for all you do and oh. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I'm sorry guys. I didn't expect to get that touched. I'm choking up here. Oh my God. Oh, okay. So for all you do and for keeping us amused with your sense of humor. Best wishes, Kim. Oh, thank you so much. I really, really am just tearing up and I'm so sorry about that, you guys. That little note somehow just really got to me. So anyhow, thank you so much. Jeez. Okay. Oh, I'm gone red and everything. It's just terrible. Anyway, thank you so much. Okay, let's open up. What's inside? Let's stop lying, right? Let's stop it already. Oh my goodness. Right. Such a nice thing. Hmm? But I am glad, getting back to that note, I am glad that you are enjoying my tutorials, and I'm so glad to amuse people, because that's what I aim to do, and inform people and entertain them, and like a little place you can come and be entertained, have fun, and just enjoy knitting and crochet related stuff, right? And occasionally my son will pop up and say something hilarious. Or even my guinea pig, he might just squeak at something. So, yeah, right. Truly I'm touched. Put that on the table and opening it up. Oh, wow. Oh, I love this. Now this I will enjoy with a cup of coffee. Thank you so much. 8 caramel waffles. Not just anyone. No, it's M&S caramel waffle. Look at that. This is the best stuff. Oh, 8 caramel waffles. Mm-mm-mm. This will go really nicely with coffee, definitely. Ah, thank you. Okay. Oh, I spy something really, really amazing in here. Wow. Wow. This is like a little bag of delight. The bag itself is the cutest thing I've seen. Look at the bag. Look at this. Oh, it's sparkly and everything. And there's lots of little things in here. It's a bag of treasure. That's what it is. Little bag of treasure. There's like what do you call that? It's really useful for shawls and things. It's oh my goodness. Oh, I've never had these kind of stitch markers before. These are my first. These are the most amazing things ever. So it comes with one of those. And here's the stitch markers. These are amazing. Wow, I will try and show you as best as I can. Wow. So there is like a little Santa hat. It's exquisite. Look! Or is it a bell? Is it a bell? It's a hat, isn't it? It's a hat. That is so cute. Next one is a very cute Christmas tree. It's very sparkly and everything. Oh, so cute. Look at that. So nice. And next is Santa boot. Oh my goodness, I'm going to treasure those. It's not focusing. Let's try again. Focus. It's quite hard, isn't it? Right. Oh, and the next one is a little snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I love that movie, by the way. So he's facing the other way. So let's see. He is cute. I need to go and see Frozen too. But my son doesn't want to go with me. There, look at him. And the last one is a wonderful snowflake. How exquisite are those stitch markers? Just amazing. Thank you so much, Kim. Ah, and in here we also have cute little note. Isn't that cute? And some amazing buttons. Ooh. Oh, I love those buttons. Oh, I've never seen them before. These are cute. So there is this one. Isn't that cute? Then there is a green one. And there is an orange one. And there's like a blue one. And a beautiful pink one. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I've never seen buttons like this before. These are amazing. Ooh. Thank you so much. Absolutely amazing things in here. But you know what? Guess what? That's not all. Oh, no, no, no. There is something else in here. It's a box of treasures. So I will get the rest out. Wow. Oh, it's yarn. Yarn. Which I have not used before. And it looks super yummy. It is Happy Sheep. And here we are. Look. Oh, you really spoiled me a lot, Kim. Honestly, Kim. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. So I've got one green one. And is there a colorway? It's called Palm Green. I like the sound of that. Just the name is really good. Here it is. And it is super soft. It's 100% acrylic, 100 grams, and 280 meters. I don't know what that is in yards, but oh, it is amazingly soft. That's so cool. And there are two in cream, I think it's called. Let's see. I'm just guessing the name of the color. What do they call this color? Cream. Yeah, I knew it. There it is. Oh, I love this logo. Look at that. Happy sheep. Oh, it's so nice and super soft. Oh, and it's a lovely decay. Oh, thank you so much. There's another one. And it is creams. I've got two creams and one green and two creams. Thank you so much, Kim. Thank you. You are a star and you really spoiled me. I will definitely treasure every single thing. Today, I'm going to have a coffee with this, actually in 5 minutes time. I will enjoy that. I haven't had lunch yet, so I'm super hungry and I will have one of those with a yummy coffee. So thank you so much, Kim. That is amazing. I am so glad I've got a return address because I will be sending something to you very soon. So, here we are. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this fantastic happy mail. It's just an amazing box, you know? All these treasures in here. My wonderful waffles. The yarn. It's just, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Kim. Thank you. And yes, I will leave it at that. And until the next time, happy knitting and crochet, everyone.